What's up guys? I am Melodie Bulanon and welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, I will be teaching you on how to cook a Filipino delicacy called humba. So let's start! Humba is a Filipino braised pork dish that is very popular in the Visayan and southern regions. Said to be a derivative of Chinese humba, also hung shao ru, or red braised pork belly. It is believed that it was introduced by Chinese immigrants and was adopted by our Visaya folks. So these are the ingredients in cooking a Filipino delicacy called humba: pork belly, pepper, powdered pepper, laurel leaves, star anise, pure cubes, seasoning, white soda, onion, garlic, cooking oil, soy sauce, and vinegar. Next step is chop the pork into its medium size. Next is put the pork into the cooking pot and wait until it boiled. When it's boiled, sear it and remove the impurities. After that, drain the cooking pot and then add some cooking oil. Sear it until the pork is brown. After 20 minutes, we extracted the oil and the pork is golden brown. And then set aside the pork into the bowl. Next is heat the cooking pot again with the used oil. Add the onions and garlic and saute it until the onions and garlic are golden brown. When the onions and garlic are golden brown, add the pork and sear it for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add vinegar and soy sauce. Then sear it for 30 seconds. Add star anise, pepper, laurel leaves, and white soda. Sear it and cover it for 3 to 4 minutes. Add pure cube and wait until the cube is melted. When the cube is melted, add seasonings. After that, serve it and it's ready to eat. So that's it. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Please don't forget to click the like button, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!